everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome to another quick and easy recipe. Today we are making some beef fried rice, and I have showed you guys all the ingredients that we are going to be using to make this quick and easy recipe. Don't never throw away your old day rice again. Use this recipe. I guarantee you your family will love it. So for starters, I'm simply going to cut the beef into small pieces, and then we are going to season and let the beef marinate. And guys, when you are making this recipe, make sure you cut your beef into 10 slices because you do not want to have big chunk, or it will be hard for you to cook the beef because you don't want the beef to come out chewy. Now I'm adding some baking soda and some cornstarch. Then I am seasoning the beef using the organic spicy meat seasoning. I just added the link there, and you just saw the picture of the seasoning. If you want to support my business, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Now that I have added the meat seasoning, I am going to make sure I mix it well. Then we are simply going to let the beef sit aside so it can fully marinate. In the meantime, I am going to start preparing my ingredients by cutting the onion. After I cut all the onions, then I'm going to cut the scallion, which is the green onions. When you are cutting the scallion, make sure you separate the white part and the green part because we will be using them at different stages in this recipe. And after that, we are simply going to get our eggs ready so that we can begin cooking. And if you are new here, welcome again. My name is Claude Mart, owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post a lot of small business tip videos and show you guys how I run my business behind the scene. If you're interested in this type of videos, please consider subscribing. Now that I have all my ingredients ready, we are simply going to heat up some oil. And guys, for this beef fried rice, I am going to make the eggs first. I'm simply going to fry the eggs. After that, I'm going to remove the eggs and set them aside. Then cook the beef. For the beef, as I mentioned, be careful. You do not want to overcook because you do not want the beef to be chewy. Then we will remove the beef from the heat. After that, we will be sauteing all the veggies, which are the corn, the carrots, and the peas. While the veggies are getting tender, we will add our onions, the garlic, the ginger, and then after that we are going to be adding our rice. For the white rice, guys, what I did is I let it sit in the freezer for 4 hours. Why I do that? It's because I wanted all the moisture to be out of the rice because I wanted the fried rice to be perfect. Then after that, I'll be adding the rice. And after that, I will be adding all my sauce, which are soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce as well. Guys, I'm telling you ahead of time what I'm going to do because I want you guys to enjoy the video. And after I add all the sauce, then I'll be adding the beef back in there and give it a good mix. Then I'll add the eggs. Then I'll add the remaining green part of the green onions. Mix it well, and then we will be ready to serve. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully my directions are easy to follow. That is the reason why I made sure I give all the direction ahead of time so you guys can just sit back and just enjoy the recipe. And we are in the final stage. Now we are simply going to mix it, and this is what our fried rice looks like. Now we are simply going to get ready to serve. And here is the final recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope it was really easy to follow. I am telling you guys, do not throw away your old rice. I'm pretty sure you have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. And while you're here, guys, if you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. It will help me greatly because you'll help support my channel and help me grow. We are at the end of 2024, and I want to wish all of you guys a happy new year. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.